Hey guys, it's me coming to you with a new video. It's me Tasha, by the way, hi. I am coming to you with a new video. Something different than I usually been doing. Y'all usually see me doing vlogs, but I'm trying to get into my content class, so bear with me while I do that. But anywho, I would like to give a shout out to Dehancer, which is a film emulation plugin color grading system that I've been testing out. They gave me the honor to try out their product and see how I like it. So far, so good. I like it because it gives me a cinematic feeling of it. Some of their features and their plugins and some of their systems that you can color grade your videos with, I really do like. You can use it on Final Cut Pro, Photoshop. You can use it on Premiere Pro. You can use it on DaVinci Resolve. You can also use it on their app to edit your pictures and your videos on it, and just use like little different looks on it. This is what I did on this one. But anywho, this particular video, I did go to Starbucks. I just want to show you guys like what I do in a day. Like this particular day, I wanted to just really put some time aside to like work on some content. So I actually got up, cleaned up, made my bed, as you can see, and I went to Starbucks. So one thing about me, I feel like I want to start to be more consistent in things. So I challenged myself to just get up this particular morning, straighten up, get myself together, even though my hair look a mess, just to get out the house and just be intentional with my content and just editing. So I just wanted to really just test out like this D-Log filter, and just see about color grading and actually try to be more consistent in my life. That's something I am working on, something I want to be more intentional on, and it's wanting to do more content for you guys instead of the regular vlogs that I always do. Another way of really expressing myself. By the way, excuse my hair in this vlog, it looks messy looking back at it. But anywho, I know. But yeah, this is just a little motivation for myself, just to even when you look at the mess, just put the content out. Put the content out. I think that's been something that's been holding me back, but actually putting content out is just being self-conscious about things, about myself, and filming things and not really want to put it out. So this is just like something I want to start doing, of me just doing something and just talk to you guys as well, telling you guys what's on my mind. So this video is going to be took in one take. I'm not going to re-record. I'm not going to do no other voiceover. Just me just testing myself and just, you know, putting my content out there. Just doing it. Sometimes you just got to do it and just step out on faith and just do it. So I again want to thank Dehancer for helping me do that and express myself and let me use their cutting grading LUT. And like I said, I do like it the way it gives the different video when I do my D-logs. It gives a different feeling. So yeah, I like it. I'm going to keep testing it out. I'm going to test it out on the Final Cut Pro. But so far, so good. They do also have like free videos you can download and you can use those as well. It is a subscription code that I can give you guys to get 10% off. It's going to be New Day, New Me. That's my code. So I'm going to also put that in the description box so you guys can see that as well. My hair is crazy in this video, guys. So yeah, excuse that. But everything for Dehancer, I believe in the description box if you want to check it out. I do recommend you try them out and give you a different look to your videos than regular. If you just shoot in regular. But yeah, this video was actually shot on my. This was shot on my Dji Action Camera 4, my D-Log, and I just put the little LUT over it, and it gave this look to it. and you can play with it. The colors you can make it lighter, darker, however you want to make it look. You can look at that. They have some pre-LUTs that you can just drop in, or you can edit it. But yeah, end of the video, guys. I've been talking your heads off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Good night.